Shall I say for approver?
Yeah, approver.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Who gives permission
Yeah.
for
Approver.
something.
Yes. Give a sentence.
Ma'am, for approver, we can frame a sentence like the personality of approver was very good, or the approver did not notice the mistakes done in the contract and did it.
Okay. Zayana. Okay.
Excuse
Khatijatul
me, ma'am.
Kubra. Yeah. Yes, Sahib.
Ma'am, you called my name. Yeah. Shall I, ma'am?
Yeah, Sahib. You're there. Yes.
Yeah.
Tell a
Shall
legal
I say
word
the
with
meaning of
X meaning.
contract?
Yes, contract.
Ma'am, contract is a legal binding document that recognizes and governs the rights and duties of the partners to the agreement. In other words, contract refers to agreement.
Okay. Make a sentence.
That's it.
Give a sentence. Actually, from the examination point of view, you're told to make sentences. You'll have to frame sentences. Okay. You're not going to write the meaning. You will frame the sentences. It is as easy as that. Okay. So you will know the meaning for your professional enhancement and you will use it in a sentence. Okay. Now I will give you the words
Excuse me,
with the meanings. Yes.
ma'am. May I say something, ma'am?
Yes, Zubair.
Ma'am, I need some explanation, ma'am, about two or three legal words, ma'am.
I am giving you, we
Yes,
have
ma'am,
100
same
legal
here.
words. We have 100 legal words. I'm going to give you the meanings now. Okay. You take a pen
Actually,
in your
ma'am,
hand.
I need some explanation, ma'am. Explanation about words.
Yes, that is what I'm going to give you.
Okay, ma'am, understood.
Zubair,
Okay, ma'am.
we have simple words and the meaning will also be simple. You'll have to use it in your own sentences. Okay. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can we continue the words as per we have written?
Yes. You can continue.
Okay. Ma'am.
Maybe I will be repeating the words as well. Don't worry. Okay. You start with the same flow. Accused. 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 One charged with an offense. One charged with an offense. Accused. The one who commits mistake is an accused. Okay. Or somebody is charging the person with an offense. That is, he's called an accused. The sentence is
Excuse me,
the
ma'am. Ma'am, please repeat it again.
accused. Yeah. Accused. 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 Okay. One charged. One charged with an offense. One charged with an offense. The sentence is the accused was taken to the court. The accused was taken to the court amidst AMIDST, amidst high security. Amidst high security. Okay. Second one, accomplice. 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 One person associated another in commission of crime. In commission of crime. Sentence.
Ma'am, please repeat. One person
Associated with another in commission of crime. Sentence. The robber is an accomplice in the crime. The robber is an accomplice in the crime. The robber is an accomplice in the crime. Arrest. A-R-R-E-S-T. Arrest. To restrain, R-E-S-T-R-A-I-N. To restrain and detain a person by lawful authority. Sentence. The criminal was arrested by the police. The criminal was arrested by the police. Amendment. Amendment. Correction of a defect. Correction of a defect in a writ. W-R-I-T. Writ. Pleading.
Ma'am, please repeat it again.
Correction
Ma'am, a
of
correction
defect.
of defect in a
Writ. W-R-I-T. Written document is called a writ. W-R-I-T. Writ. Pleading or in criminal proceedings. Correction of a defect in a writ, pleading or in criminal proceeding. Sentence. In India, we must have respect for the First Amendment. For the First Amendment. Next. Adjournment. A-D-J-O-U-R-N-M-E-N-T. Adjournment.
Please spell it again.
A-D-J-O-U-R-N-M-E-N-T. Adjournment. To postpone or suspend the hearing.
Can you please repeat it, ma'am?
To postpone or suspend the hearing of a case until a further date. Until a further date. Sentence. No law can go into effect. No law can go into effect until after 90 days after the adjournment. Adjournment.
Ma'am, please
Adjournment.
spell it.
after the adjournment, adjournment, adjournment of the legislature. Award. The decision given by an arbitrator.
The decision
Given by an arbitrator. Sentence. The jury awarded damages to the
Ma'am, the jury award.
defendant. Awarded damages to the defendant.
ma'am, please repeat it again.
The jury, jury. The jury awarded damages to the defendant. Arbitration. 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 The settling of dispute. The settling of dispute by interference of a third party. The settling of dispute by interference of a third party by an arbitrator. By an arbitrator. Gandhi settled many disputes. Gandhi settled many disputes in his life through arbitration.
Ma'am, please repeat it again, ma'am.
Gandhi settled many disputes in his life through arbitration. Agreement. Agreement. The act of
What, ma'am? Sorry.
the act, act.
Yeah. Okay.
The act of agreeing a contract. The act of agreeing a contract. Sentence. By mutual agreement, By mutual agreement, Alex had to return the property to the owner by mutual agreement. Alex had to return the property to the owner. Approver, APPROVER. A person who confesses offense, a person who confesses offense and who turns state's evidence.
What, ma'am?
A person who confesses offense and who turns state's evidence. The prosecution
Is this sentence, ma'am?
turns state's evidence. State's evidence. The prosecution also presented other approvers. The prosecution also presented other approvers in support of the case. In support of the case. Next is bail, BAIL, bail.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Bail. Release of a person arrested. Release of a person arrested on his giving security. On his giving security or accepting specified conditions. Sentence is the alleged killer, ALLEGED, the alleged killer has been released on bail, and is awaiting trial, AWAITING, awaiting trial. Bench.
Ma'am, please spell it out.
BENCH, bench. Judge. judge, seat, judge, seat, office of judge, judge, seat, office of judge, meanings law court, judge, seat, office of judge, law court.
Ma'am, this is raw code or law code?
Law court, LAWCOURT, law court.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Ma'am, what is judge seat? Can you spell, ma'am, judge?
JUDGE, group judges, the bench.
Ma'am, can you just repeat it again?
Judge, comma, seat, 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 comma, office of judge, comma, or law court. Sentence. The important cases involving life and death. Involving life and death were tried by a
Involving life and
death.
Can you please repeat it
Were
again, ma'am?
tried. The important cases involving life and death were tried by a bench of judges. Next you have bond, BOND, bond. Agreement under seal. Agreement under seal.
excuse me, ma'am,
Where
please repeat it again.
agreement, bond, the meaning is agreement under seal, 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 whereby a person binds
What, ma'am?
whereby a person binds himself, to another to another to perform or refrain from an action. Okay. Sentence. In Islam, marriage is a
Ma'am, will you please say again?
in Islam, marriage is a legal bond and a social contract between a man and a woman. Next, breach of contract. BREACH, a breach of breach of contract. The act of breaking the conditions, the act of breaking the conditions of a contract.
Of the contract, ma'am.
Yeah, of any contract, of a contract. Okay. Sentence. Kiran's employer,
What's ma'am?
Kiran's, it's a name. Kiran's employer, 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 sued him, SUED, sued him for breach of contract. For breach of contract. Consent, CONSENT. Compliance, COMPLIANCE, compliance with or deliberate approval of a course of action.
What ma'am? Please repeat it again.
Consent is compliance with or deliberate approval of a course of action. Yeah, COURS, course of action. Sentence. The students had to bring the parents' consent letter. Students had to bring the parents' consent letter in order to go to the field trip.
Go to the
Field trip. Contract. Next, contract. A legally binding agreement. A legally binding agreement. The contract requires him to finish work by the end of the year. Contempt. 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 A strong dislike or disrespect of public opinion.
ma'am. Contempt is another word, ma'am.
Contempt is another legal word.
Okay, what is the sentence for contract?
The contract requires him to finish work by the end of the year.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. The thief faced sentence for contempt. The thief faced imprisonment. The thief faced imprisonment for